Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GCSE Maths Exam Sprint Series. Here's another question on functions, composite functions. It's a very popular question in GCSE Maths. Please pause the video and try this. F of x equals 3x add 1. G of x equals x squared. F g of x is equal to g f of x. Right. So let's get these expressions. Now, f g of x. So what I need to do is I need to get g of x, which is x squared, and I need to feed it to f, which is this one here. So whatever you put here will go here. So I know this one here is 3x squared add 1. G f of x. So f of x is 3x add 1. So I need to feed it to, so I get whatever you put here will go there. So that will be 3x add 1 squared. So now the rest is algebra. I just need to solve it very carefully. So let's do that. So the left hand side is just 3x squared add 1. The right hand side is 3x add 1 multiplied by 3x add 1. Here you have 3x squared add 1 is equal to 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. 1 times 3x is also 3x. 1 times 1 is 1. Now, there is a way to come to this final expression of this one straight away without really doing it. If some of you know how to do that, obviously use that. But I'm just doing the obvious straightforward method. So 3x squared add 1 is equal to 9x squared. 3x add 3x gives me 6x add 1. Now I can see obviously this 1 and this 1 gets cancelled out. Move the 3x squared to the other side. So I have 0 is equal to 9x squared here. Take away 3x squared add 6x. Now 0 is equal to 6x squared add 6x. Now when you get to this stage, how do you solve it? So what we can do is we can factorize it. So let's factorize it. The common factor is 6x bracket x add 1, because 6x times x is 6x squared. 6x times 1 is 6x. Now these two, this one here and this one here, are multiplied and you get a 0. So that means it's either 6x is equal to 0 or x add 1 is equal to 0. So if 6x is equal to 0, x is also equal to 0. So that's one answer. Or move it to the other side, x is equal to negative